but you actually don't know me. It's just a drive, you know what I'm saying? Hey, oh, hey, that my fault. You caught me off guard. Acting like you know me, dog. Oh, yeah, that's my beat. Telling me how I should do it. When you ain't me, guess you gon' see, yeah. Young boy out here chasing dreams, yeah. Everything that good ain't what it seems, yeah. Watch out now, you tryna cramp my style. What you doing, cause you wild.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope that everyone is doing well. Today I'm going to be showing you all a really natural looking curly 360 lace front unit. It's from Omgherhair. It does come with an elastic band. It comes with a regular elastic band as well as one that's adjustable so that you can make it tighter or make it looser on your head. This is what it looks like. You can actually just easily attach this one and adjust it accordingly. Now this is what the unit looks like. These curls are so beautiful. This is what the lace looks like. It almost looks like transparent lace, but it hasn't been pre-tinted or anything. The hairline has been pre-plucked. It comes with combs on the inside, and I did select the option for the whole front to be bleached. Now I'm going to put the unit on to see how it's looking, see what we're working with, and as you can see, it looks really natural. I am going to go in and tint the lace though. These curls are really gorgeous, and you do get a great deal of parting space. I believe this is about 5 inches of parting space, and I really like it a lot. I also got mine in length 18, and it is true in length and 180% density. Now putting it on the mannequin head, I want to show you all the pre-plucked hairline. It looks so good. I didn't have to do any work at all. It's bleached really nicely, and there's free parting along the front as well as in the back. Right now I am going to tint the lace, and I am using color Finest Mocha. In the past I was using color Caramel Frappe, and I do feel like with the color of this lace it would have been better with that particular color. I need to get more of it. So after you spray it on, use a foundation brush in order to stipple it in and then blow dry it, and then after I'm going to cut the lace off.
Far away, but still I've been close. You should know I'm still holding on.
Alright y'all, now it's time to install. I already have my stocking cap on, and for this particular install I didn't even have to do the ball cap method, which was really good. Look how natural that already looks. I love curly hair because I feel like I don't necessarily have to make sure it's perfect around my edges or anything because I do have a little hairline, and this one actually gave me a good amount of coverage, so that was awesome. So I'm just going to clip everything back, and I am going to use my staple adhesive, which is the bed head. I thought about using the yellow bottle of the Got2b glue, but I just love this stuff. It's so easy to apply and it dries so fast.
Don't act like you don't let me no more. Can I come over? Can I come over? You telling me it's over? Why you telling me it's over? Girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah, I wanna roll up on ya. Can I roll up on ya? Yeah, can I roll up on ya? You said you always pick up when I call you. You said you always hold me down when I call you. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it.
Y'all, I love how this hairline is structured. I love that I didn't necessarily have to pull it up so far in the front in order to cover my hairline on the side, which was really great. I am going to pull out some baby hair, just a little bit on the side, just to cover the peaks of my hairline. And then I'm going to add some mousse so that I can manipulate the baby hair to get them to look the way that I desire them. And then I'll come back on.
Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. Don't you leave me or call it, baby, call it. I admit I might be wasted. All your friends, I know they hate me. You still running and I'm chasing. I don't know, I can't explain it. So can I come over? Can I come over? So why you telling me it's over? Are you telling me it's over? Ooh, girl, I wanna roll up on ya. Yeah. when I roll up on ya.
So right now I'm just going to go into the part just to kind of mute the grids a little bit, and also to mute some of the orange tone that I added to the lace when I used the lace tint. The color looks great along my hairline, but in the parting area, caramel frappe would have been better, or I should have just left it as is because the lace was already a really good scalp-like color. So that's just something to keep in mind. You don't necessarily have to use your lace tint all over the lace, and I did that this time. I wish I had not, but I'll keep that in mind in the future. So I'm just putting some more mousse along the area near the parting, and then I'm going to proceed to separate the curls. You could leave them like this, but to create volume, because y'all know I love volume, and also to give it a little more depth and just make it look more like a curly fro, I'm going to separate first, and then I decided later to go in and finger comb to make it bigger and more voluminous the way that I like it. And y'all, doesn't this curl pattern actually look like a twist out? I love the way that it looked right out of the package. That's why I decided not to wash it or add water or anything, because I like the way it already looked right out of the package.
Hey, can you just chill, bro? It's just a draft. Hey.
I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you. I can't help but this, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you. The way that you move, made me wanna get on my feet, step into the groove. Shawty come closer to me, stick to me like glue. I ain't really grow up dancing, but I might take my chances. Guess I'm gonna take my chance, just take them on you.
This feel like
And it's impact in the back of a Cadillac with an 8-track in a backpack on a dash playing Bernie Mac.
Oh, I like the sound of that.
I can't help but dance, can't help but move. When I look at you, when I look at you.
Y'all, at this point, I was completely blown away by how good this unit looks, how soft it was, how easy it was to manipulate. I didn't have any shedding. I didn't have any resistance at all, tangling, nothing. This hair is so gorgeous, and I love the length, the volume, and everything. These are the finished results, guys. I am going to show you all some styles that you can do. It's so versatile. You can even wear it up in the back, and it looked really, really good. So I'm going to show you all that, and then I'll come back on at the end.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so fly in those Gucci slides. Yeah, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise. Yeah, 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 yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her. And all the dudes are trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under the subtle smile, we'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from around the way. You didn't give me the time of day. You be making moves that year. Who really care what Simon say? All the bad things, girl, I had to look past that. Call yourself a dime, I'm just trying to get my cash back. You be looking fine, so no wonder they can't match that. Louis V scarf, or I'm chilling with a dad. Whoa, slow it down like that. Just hold me down like that.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something about her features. You'll find her beauty goes much
This is definitely another winner. This unit looks so natural and beautiful. You can do so much with it. I am absolutely in love. I hope that you all enjoyed this video. Be sure to like, comment, subscribe. Check the description box for all the links and specifications, and I'll see you all in my next video. Bye, guys.